Hey guys, well, Tamiya's M24 Chaffee in 1/35th scale is finally getting released next week. June 26th is the official release date, and we're very excited about this kit. It's an awesome kit, and we've had the opportunity to take a look at one ahead of time. You may have seen our What's in the Box video that we posted last week. If not, make sure to check out our channel and take a look at that. And now we'd like to show you very quickly how one of these models goes together. This build is sped up at 3,000%, which is about 5 minutes long of what in real time took about 4.5 hours. Granted, this was really fast and rushed. If we were building this to finish out as a competition model or something, we'd have taken a little bit more time, of course, but we wanted to go straight through the instructions and give you guys an idea of how this goes together and how quickly it can go together. Halfway through, we decided perhaps we do want to paint this and finish it out. So there's a few things that we did not put in to the model on this build, like the clear parts. We left those off so that we can paint. And there's a few things like the hatches on the top. They're not glued in place, so one of the hatches looks like it's just laying there at the end when you see it. But other than that, this is a straight out of the box build of M24 Chaffee 35th scale from Tamiya. Check it out.